Imagine stepping into your kitchen and having a single pan that can do it all. Meet the Emura Pan, the revolutionary culinary wonder that's about to transform your cooking game forever. With 8 incredible functions packed into one sleek design, Emura Pan is the epitome of culinary innovation. Sizzling bacon in the morning, sautéed veggies for lunch, a mouth-watering grilled dinner, all made effortlessly with just one Emura Pan. Fry, sauté, grill, braise, bake, and more. Its unparalleled versatility unlocks a world of culinary possibilities right at your fingertips. Throw away your flimsy pans that wear out quickly. This revolutionary pan boasts exceptional durability, being 9 times more long-lasting than regular non-stick pans. Its scratch-resistant surface ensures it remains in pristine condition. You think that's all? Experience cooking like never before with our game-changing integrated spatula holder. No more searching for misplaced utensils or making a mess on your countertops. Take a look at the cleverly designed lid handle that lets you stand the lid vertically. Whether you have a gas, electric, induction, or ceramic stove, Emura is the perfect match for any cooktop. Plus, it's oven-safe too. The creators of Emura believe that cleaning up after a satisfying meal should be a breeze. That's why its non-stick surface guarantees an easy cleanup process, saving you time and effort. Exclusively for our amazing video viewers, a limited time offer of 50% off your first order. The makers of Emura are so confident in the exceptional quality of their pan that they're offering you a risk-free experience. Try it in your kitchen for 30 days. And if you don't absolutely love it, they'll gladly refund your purchase. No questions asked. Your satisfaction is their top priority. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Emura